So hey everyone, and wish you a very happy New Year, all of you. And I hope are you doing well in your life. And I think this year make you more valuable and do consistent coding. And let's see what happen next. And technology is changing, just like making Maggie in 5 minutes. So just like that it going on. And I didn't just like depreciate that part, but if you think technology is changing, so you have to adapt it. So first of all, problem logic building is the very important thing in your coding life. So first of all, you consist problem solving at least two problem in a day, but in my college I did, so that's why I right now I less struggling page right now. So that's all I'm so discussing this problem right now. And first we will read this problem, so how can I attempt that problem also discuss. And so let's go. Maximum score after splitting a string. So this is the question as you read this. So firstly it's given a string s of zeros and ones. So in the string, nothing more, zero and ones will be available, no more number. So return the maximum score after splitting the string into. Return the maximum score means I have to calculate a score in this question, and a string into two empty string, just like a string. In this string will be divided into two string. So my laptop charge, my laptop battery is dead. So that's why I will be in the charge mode. So I will be splitting string into two empty string, just like left and right. So the score after splitting a string in the number of zeros in the left. So left string count the zero, and right string, just like you have to see that right string once. So in this left string we have to count zero, and the right string we have to count one. So in the as you see that left string zero, so it's one, and right string will be four ones. So here is this is here is you see four, so that equal to five. So maximum number will be the output, just like you have to see that. So let's take the approach how to solve that. Firstly we have to erase this rough, and let's go what's happened now. So firstly we have to take, just like I'm writing to pseudocode, just I have to create a left le left let right. So I didn't think I have taken a string, but as you know, the string will be, but I want to taking a number, just like 0 1 0 0, just like here left means just like I will count the zero, no. So and right will be. So firstly we have to traverse all of the part, so counting right. Why? Because I have so it's discussing after that. So why I am taking this right traversing, just like count once. So for loop I to I equal to 0 to n minus 1, and here will be right if s of I equal to 1, then right plus plus. So in this string, here will be 1 1 1 will be present. So right will be 1 2 3 4 5. So right will be 5. After that, after again I will be continuing some for loop, just like for loop I equal to 0 to n minus 1, and again I will be just like left, if I equal to, just like I equal to 0, then just like left plus plus. So left equal to 1 and right. So is I equal to 0, so right minus not be applicable. So if this will be happen, so left plus plus, else right minus minus. After that, in this two process will be happen. So I will be a store a let result equal to 0. So that's why. And here I will be check math dot max. This is the simple max, how to check maximum value. So max value just like a result comma uh, left plus right. So here in both of one of the maximum, so it is stored in result equal to. So after that we have to return result. So let's see implementation part. I write pseudocode. I fully confident it's working, but I didn't do it this way because this is my first time for doing this way. So let's see what's happened. So I have to write the code here in JavaScript. So I am solving in JavaScript. If you see the previous video. So firstly we have to declare let left equal to 0 and let right equal to 0 and let result equal to 0, and I have to traverse all the let I equal to 0 to I less than s dot length I plus plus. After that we have to check this is the ones or not. So equal to 1. So right plus plus. After that right plus plus, then again I am going to traverse for loop let I equal to 0 and I less than s dot length I plus plus. After that we have to check if s dot I equal to 0. So if 0 will happen, then left plus plus, and else if 0 not happening, else right. The substring will be moving right now, no? Just like you to I have to explain right now because I have to promise I will be explaining in the middle of the 1101. So first we have to write after here right will be 3, no 3. So again I will be traversing for loop just like 0. Here will be 0 and it goes here and 0 and left plus plus. So left equal to 1 and there is 0, so right will be not minus. So else part will be I am going to minus it if 0 is not happening right now. So why else part will be happening, just like you have to see that here will be the again. So my substring is this and again this is the another substring. So here is the 101, so here is right is 2 and here is the 0 is 1, so 1 is 1, and that's why I will be subtract else part in right. So that's all. So here left right minus minus, and after that we have to check it maximum value, no? So result equal to math dot max result comma left plus right. If one of them is the maximum, we will store the value, and after that we have to just say I have to check the some condition. So in the last index, so first will be here and last index just like it goes. So in this here is the pointer and checking 1. So those no one will be empty now. So here will length minus 1 length minus 1, length minus 1, and here you have to return you result. So let's see what's happening right now. I think so. Test case will be fast, and final submission. Let's see what's happening right now. So it's accepted as you see that. So that's right. I didn't use anything extra, just like I have to declare three variable, and I have to iterate one to counting right once, and I have to implement another for loop, just like of in this problem we have to create just like O of n time complexity, and a space complexity, just like I didn't create anything, just like you have to see that the TTT. So we go of one a space complexity. That's all. Today is a this is the easy one question. Everyone solve that if you think like that. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, stay happy, just like that. So that's all, bro.